Hey guys, so one of my customers sent in his package today, and it is an EIS emulator purchase. So we programmed the emulator, but we found out that the key that he sent in, which is this one right here, it has a problem. It's not showing CAN status. So I'm going to show you when I stick the key in the ignition switch. Okay, key's in, and we still have no light here. This light should now turn green, but we have nothing. And if we look at VVDI, we only show mechanical status. We don't see anything under CAN status, so that's a problem. Because there's no checkbox here in CAN status, that means that the key is not transmitting through the CAN bus, all right? So we have a bad key here, and to prove that, I programmed this key, right, to this ignition switch and that emulator, and I'm going to stick it in. Okay, and now we have CAN status, and we have a green light, and it will start the car. All the way across the board, we have CAN status all the way up to circuit 50. So that is what you want to see. This car will start. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.